Alright guys, short little video for you today. If you've messed with the throttle body, the ECM, TPS, or ISC, if you've replaced them or adjusted them, then you have to sync the EFI system. So I'm going to show you how to do that here real quick. First you're going to have the key off. You're going to push the throttle lever to wide open, so give it full throttle. Then you're going to turn the key on while holding the throttle open. You're going to count to around 10 seconds. Then you're going to release the throttle lever, wait an additional 10 seconds, and then turn the key off and allow the gauge to shut off. So let's go ahead and do that here. Alright, we're going to make sure the key is off. We're going to press the throttle all the way open. We're going to turn the key on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the throttle lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you just turn the key off and allow the gauge to shut off, and that synchronizes the EFI system. So you're going to want to do this procedure if you've messed with the throttle body, if you've unplugged all those plugs and dielectric greased like I did in this video over here. Hope that helps you out. Check out these other videos over here. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.